here, guy. I'm going to rescue you.
I was trying to get this snake out of the washing machine. Oop. Did you get him?
I got his ass.
Hold on to him. Let him flex. Don't let him go, though.
I'm not letting him go, but I don't want to hurt him either.
See a freaking snake in our washer machine.
Come on, dude. Get him.
Where's he at? Down there?
Yeah.
One of the hands. Oh, go up with it. Oh, there he is over there.
That worked a little bit. I could feel him backing up.
Damn, he's right there.
Oh, he's stuck on.
He's hanging. He's hanging down there. Got him?
I got him, but I gotta get him to back up because otherwise, if I pull, he's gonna rip in half.
Damn, he's tight. Go. Try going that way.
He's trying to squeeze out. Come on, buddy. I ain't gonna eat you, dude. Let's just go. Come on.
I do.
Careful, don't poke too hard.
Yeah, didn't like that. You feel him move?
Mm-mm.
I can't see with both your arms in that.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get him up.
Hey, moving up. Oh shit, I just dropped it. He's coming up. He's not moving, is he? My body's almost up.
He's here. I see him.
Start from the bottom.
He's right here.
I know.
Is his head gonna come up to the right or to the left of his tail?
Go over there. Oh. Alright, we'll take that back. Now he's on this other side. Oh, dude.
He's backing up a little.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You pulling it all over?
No, with your head in there.
I'll try. Still wet?
Yep.
Overhand. Oh, there he goes right back down. Okay. He's gotta be fucking close.
Easy there, tiger.